Okay, we decided we would protect the walking onions. The wind keeps blowing them down, so we put this little shell around it. It's a fairly see-through thing, so it should get some sun. Um, so let's see, yeah, she's getting some sun in there. I like the look of it. I can probably use those to protect the lettuce as well, because they tend to flop all over the place. See, it's because that these onions get broken, they just fall down with the wind and so on. So if I could protect anything that gets blown and damaged by the wind like that, I will do it. So maybe I should do the same with these lettuce, because they flop down. I'll try that next time. I've put in a couple of sticks to support this okra tree. It's getting a little heavy, and when the wind comes through, it wants to blow it down. So the sticks at least will add a little bit of support for now. See, this is how the sun comes through here. You get like a ray of real sun, and you get the diffused sunlight through the tinted glass here. So it's a wonder that these things are doing so well. Look at them. So these are now, it's now the turn of these ones to get the sun. So it will go all the way to the back, and then it will go to the corner here and get these ones. So wonderful. Okay.